Good day, San Francisco. I'm Nicholas Sharp.
And I'm Joe McKinney.
Coming to you live from San Francisco headquarters. Today, we are prepared to discuss SAP's HR business solution, specifically a SuccessFactors overview, a product demonstration, and insights as to the key benefits of our HCM suite. In order to make the best use of your time, please utilize the contact information at the end of our presentation for any questions and for further discussion. Joe?
Absolutely. Thanks, Nick. With Super Bowl 50 right around the corner here in San Francisco, let's take a look at how the NFL is utilizing SuccessFactors to achieve their goals.
The NFL is unique because it's 32 very competitive yet very collaborative organizations. The NFL is using SAP SuccessFactors HCM to help manage our talent. And the best teams are the ones that have the best talent. Our employees are on the road a significant portion of the week, and so we needed to be able to provide a tool that could be accessed through a web browser in a secure fashion, and SuccessFactors gave us that ability. Now we can easily track both what we call our halftime review and our annual review around how employees are doing against their goals, and that accountability has raised the bar in our performance. Employees are also embracing it because it gives them an opportunity to state what they believe they've done and how their current environment might be changing due to business needs. Our goal for the system is to make sure we have 100% utilization, and so we're tracking at a really good pace to hit that this year. The top benefit that SAP SuccessFactors HCM provides employees is a way that they can track their own performance and don't have surprises at the end of the year. We look for partners who can bring the best from various industries across a variety of solutions. For a CIO, integration is everything. And so if I can have an integrated suite of products like SAP SuccessFactors HCM that can integrate with compensation and HR, that just makes my job easier. SAP SuccessFactors helps the NFL run better.
Thanks, Michelle, and the National Football League for their strategic partnership with SAP. Well, to whom do we build the business case? In 2014 and 2015, CEOs reported human capital management as the #1 challenge to driving growth. And in charge of the people, the Chief Human Resource Officer, who is actually your best target for engaging. Remember, invest time and listen, establish clear connections, clarify benefits, project benefits, and prepare the client so the CHRO can improve performance management, provide training, and enhance organizational effectiveness. Then what are the key trends? Well, there is a tremendous amount of change going on in the world around us, change that's happening faster and faster. Today's workforce is more diverse than ever. For the first time in history, we have 5 generations of workers working side by side, each with potentially different needs and expectations. Unlike financials, which is heavily governed by public accounting standards, HR has little process standardization, with the exception of regular reporting. So that simplification and standardization needs to be done. Also, just-in-time workforce. The fundamental structure of the workforce is changing. Companies across the world are using more contract labor, bringing greater flexibility to enterprises. And most importantly, talent management remains a top priority for executive leaders. CEOs are still saying that despite prior investments, talent management is not solved. Moving on to how is HR responding? Well, all that change is causing HR to rethink old approaches and transform how they do things. Typical initiatives and focus areas that we see are things like simplification. See a common trend? Simplifying HR processes is fundamental. Also, actionable insight. Using all the data being collected to discover things you could only guess at in the past. Predict, plan, and measure HR needs and strategies. Process efficiency. Many organizations are focused simply on driving HR process efficiency. Employee engagement. Ensuring every employee has what they need when they need it to manage careers, teams, and productivity. This transformational journey can be different and usually is different for every organization. What is the role of technology, Joe?
Well, it's great that you asked that, Nick. Well, rethinking HR strategies to respond to the changes around us is only part of the puzzle. Without the right technology to support your strategies, you'll come up short. We rely on HR systems to help transform business strategies into business outcomes, quantifiable, measurable business results with faster time to market, driving employee engagement for competitive differentiation, and able to react quickly to changing business environments and increasing brand loyalty. Let's talk about 5 keys to success that separate SAP success factors from all the rest. Achieving the results you need from HCM technology requires that technology be multidimensional, and no one today has the breadth and the depth of what SAP success factors can offer.
No, they don't.
Talent and HR, core HR applications. The first key area of our solution is simply the functional capabilities. We offer a comprehensive HCM suite that encompasses all pillars of talent management, as well as a modern set of global core HR called Employee Central. Content. Content is king. In order to really drive employee engagement, the process they touch needs to be easy to use and anticipate what the user wants to accomplish. Analytics. It's been said if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. One of the key benefits of implementing software is that it creates a tremendous amount of data. The goal is to be able to take that data, make sense of it, and use it to drive business execution. Technology does matter in the cloud.
It does.
And our technology, well, it's state of the art. Modern user experience, you say. Every employee in the organization, full-time, part-time, contingent, contractor, manager, executive, all are potential users of the HCM systems. The demands of the HCM systems technology have changed, and SAP SuccessFactors has taken a multi-dimensional and comprehensive approach to our solution.
That they have.
Talk about that comprehensive talent and core HR applications. The first key area of our solution is simply the functional capabilities. We offer a comprehensive HCM suite that encompasses all pillars of talent management, as well as a modern set of global core HR employee central capabilities. Global and local, you say? No one knows global better than SAP. We've been delivering and developing global HCM solutions for over 30 years. We have over 15,000 on-premise HCM customers, most of whom are global. We have the experience and the expertise that no one else can match. We support not only globalization, but more importantly, we do localization. Let's talk about not just software, but also service. The term SaaS has 2 S's, software and service. Often vendors focus primarily on the first, software. At SuccessFactors, we've assembled services to help our customers throughout every stage in the life cycle. Assess, we have a value engineering team that can work with customers to help build a strategy. Evaluate, we have a service offerings that can help customers evaluate their current implementations and landscapes and look forward to a future roadmap. Implement, we offer a full range of implementation services. Run, well, that's what we do. We run and offer a variety of support service levels tailored to your needs. Optimize, we have a dedicated team to help you understand what you're using today and what additional capabilities are available to you that you might not be fully leveraging. Learn, we have a full range of learning programs and online community to help share ideas, tips, and tricks.
Well, we'll dive into a completely new approach to service delivery. With the new intelligent services, we're taking self-services to a whole new level. Instead of end users having to predict all the tasks they may need to complete when they start an HR process, intelligent software does it for them. Press that easy button. With intelligent services managed in the new SuccessFactors Event Center, individual transactions that make up the common workforce events but cross organizational boundaries and software modules are consolidated into a single experience. Then there's the deployment options. You can start anywhere and go everywhere with SuccessFactors. One size doesn't fit all, and every customer is different. We've talked about a journey, but the starting point of every journey is different. Therefore, you need the flexibility to begin that journey wherever you need and build a roadmap based on your strategy, not the technical limitations of a software vendor package. Our architecture offers the unique ability for you to start anywhere you want. And my favorite, the super cool user experience.
Who doesn't love that?
Every employee in the organization, full-time, part-time, contingent, contractor, manager, and the executive are all potential users of the HCM systems. Ability to easily use HCM systems by these end users is a key driver of employee engagement and has a direct relationship to employee productivity. Now, we'll just jump into a quick demo so you can really see hands-on what's taking place with the SuccessFactors software.
Let's do that, Nick.
We start with Employee Central, a great user experience that is engaging and accessible via mobile or desktop. Quickly search for people in your organization and perform tactical functions such as approvals or completing interview feedback. Provide your employees the power to access their own information such as vacation, time off, or payroll data. Deliver insight to the organization through workforce planning and analytics with relevant, easily consumed business data demanded by your managers. Benchmark your analytics against industry standards and watch how easy it is to mine and search your data. Voluntary termination rate within your organization. Here you see that the rate is trending downwards from 2012, but you can drill deeper into other metrics that may be contributing to the trend, such as changes in talent practices, onboarding, compensation, and learning. Engagement means providing an HR experience to your workforce that covers all phases of the employee lifecycle.
That's excellent. And that's what SuccessFactors is bringing to the market. Now, let's take a look at the competitive environment. When you look across all talent management and include HR and payroll vendors, most vendors have a lot of missing components. The breadth of our suite is tremendous advantage if your prospecting is taking a long-term view.
The competitor focus, well, might as well just dive in the deep end on this one. SuccessFactors versus the big three. With SuccessFactors, as we mentioned, you can start wherever you want, and each module is fully integratable into the organization's current system. Workday has less than a fourth of the full HCM suite, and cloud payroll is only in 3 countries compared to the 30 that SuccessFactors is currently in. Talk about globalization. Cornerstone requires high-tech touch sales education, has a basic suite as well, and is a direct mimic of SuccessFactors' original open content network. And, of course, there's Oracle. Oracle Talent Management is a poor play, and with only a certain number of seats on the bus, building the right team is fundamental, especially when paying big dollars with little value in the service program that you would receive. Plus, there's 2 S's in every SaaS. Experience counts. That was brief, but please head over to Planet HR Jam page for a full rundown on competition and how to win. Joe?
Absolutely. Well, you know what? Let's talk about that win and what SAP is doing in best in class. Constantly scoring higher than any of our nearest competitors, according to Gartner. Supplemented with the industry's fastest pace of innovation in core HR. Our entire HR foundation features the widest breadth and depth of any HR vendor in the market today. To talk a little bit more about best in class, let's send it over to our very own spin reporter, Megan Meany. Megan?
It's a spin win. SAP's new capability, Intelligent Services, was named Awesome New Technology 2015 by Human Resource Executive Magazine. When you take a leave of absence, lots of HR hoo-ha has to happen. You got to put training on hold. Maybe your position needs to be backfilled. Usually that's done manually. But SuccessFactors' hot HR feature kicks off those processes automatically and adds or removes as needed.
Thanks, Megan, for that insight. That's excellent. And wow, what a great award to win, huh? Now let's talk about what we're doing for our customers. Because at the end of the day, it's all about the customers.
That's it.
So we're going to start with customer reference, 5-star luxury hotel brand, Mandarin Oriental. Who doesn't love a Mandarin Oriental? So we've saved them over $5 million on recruitment fees alone.
How about real estate investment trust, Sun Communities? Reduce their monthly payroll troubleshooting by 40 hours a week. That's a lot of free time.
It is. Moving on to European IT Services Corporation, Atos. We're supporting SuccessFactors solution for 90% of its workforce in 46 countries with just 3 staff members.
3 staff members. And there's always professional staffing services in workforce solution company Yo, who had a 15-day reduction in time to fill, a $200 reduction in cost per hire, and increase new career site traffic by 200%.
Sorry, 200% you said?
200%.
Supermarket chain Brookshire's saved $160,000 in just 1 year by converting to an e-course. 90% reduction in labor related to CMI compliance.
And multi-level marketing giant Amway, who replaced 50 disparate HR systems around the world with one solution that would integrate core employee data within talent management. Well, thank you guys so much for your time today. We want to do a quick wrap up and just basically hit the main points of our success factors overview, the product demonstration, and hope that you really receive the insights into SAP's HR solutions.
That's right, Nick. So as we leave you today, we want to leave you with the top 10 reasons why SuccessFactors is your HR platform for not only today, but the future. Stay simple and get out there and have a great quarter.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone.